Hi everyone, my name is Sahari Bra. In today's session, I'm going to explaining you all of the dermatology specialty features which we are using in our Cloudpetal software and why our system is best for in the dermatology specialty features. So I'm just logging with the Dr. Ali Mubarak account and receptionist already making two appointments like Atif and Laiba's appointment against Dr. Ali Mubarak, and currently I am selecting the specialty is dermatology and all of the corresponding subspecialty will be showing it at the main screen like cosmetology, dermatology, botics. We can add multiple cosmetology and we can add multiple subspecialty in this screen as well. So I'm just clicking any of the appointment, like for example if I am going back to the mail appointments, just need to click on the appointment view. Okay, so in this appointment details, doctor just need to go to the view clinical note screen. Just click on the view clinical note, which I already opened in these screens. So this one is the view clinical note screens. In here, we can see this is the 360 dashboard view. The doctors will be showing it at the main screen. So that's why currently I am checking with the dermatology specialty. So that's why all of the derma feature like hair removal, body hair removal, filler, botox will be showing it at the main screen if I am corresponding. And by the way, there is a very plus point in our side. Currently, I am checking with the mail appointments, so that's why all of the mail feature will be showing it at the main screen against the dermatology. If I am going back like the we have already scheduled the Libus appointment in our main screen. If I am going back to the Libus appointment, so just need to close this. So this is the like this library's appointment. So if I'm going back to the clinical note in this screens, so we can see like all of the female features will be showing it at the main screen. So their specialty are linked according to their gender wise. Like if male patient coming in our clinic and the male patient schedule, then all of the male feature derma will be showing it at the clinical note screen. If female patient is appointment schedule, then all of the female data will be showing it and will be reflected in the doctor screen. So just I'm going to explaining all of the mail process. Okay, so this is the all of the mail process. First, I have to write the chief complaint, why the patient come in our system, and what is the chief complaint or patient need to come in our system like for hair removal. I'm just adding hair removal. Okay, just click on the plus button. So this data is the chief complaint. We'll be adding it. I also need to add their diagnosis. Just need to click on the diagnosis. The ICD-10 code will be showing it. You just need to write the three-digit code. The system will be showing it our complete drop-down list which we are having in our system like ICD-10 code. You just need to click any of the ICD-10 code diseases according to the patient requirement and patient needs. For example, if I am clicking on any of it. So if you don't find any of your specific ICD code, there is also very plus point in our system. You can also plus and add it in the front of your screen as well. So I'm going back to the our main agendas like all the dermatology specialty features explanation. So first there is a face hair removal. So I'm just clicking on the face hair removal. There is a window is open and there is all of the features will be showing it. You just need to click on the add plan. After adding a new plan, there is some features like all of the left and all of the right data will be showing it in the main screen. You just need a click of the specific area against the patient requirements which they want to remove your hair. For example, if I am clicking, there is a way you can also click on the module wise and also you click on the phase wise as well. So I'm just clicking some of the features and all of these list procedures will be adding in the drop down as well. You can see all of the data will be showing it and will be saving in the drop down. So I'm just need to save this plan. So the system will be showing it. Are you sure you want to add the new plan? So I'm just click on the OK button and this data will be added. After adding a data, we have also our forms like machine forms category, like different types of machine form which we are having in our system. We have different types of machine like Splendor X machines, Splendor Deploy machines, Gentle Laser Pro, Domino Pro. So we can set our all of the data into our machines and we can set their values and the system will be showing it according to our corresponding value as well. So we can also set our machines according to the laser requirements. So these are all of the laser machines format like machine name, machine influences, their nodes value, their date, and their which user will be created as the machine categories as well. So this is the machine form categories. I'm explaining with all of the male facial hair. Now I'm going back to the male body hair removal screens and going to explaining you how the male body hair removal features work in our system. So this is the male hair removal body features works. Just click on the body. You have to write add new plan. After adding a new plan, all of the blank window will be showing it. We just need a specific part of the body which patient need to require and patient need to remove their hair. So I'm just selecting random of any of points. You also need to select the points as well. Okay, I'm just selecting some of the points. Similarly, there have some face part as well. So I'm just selecting there some of the points in the main screen. At the moment when I select all of the points which I want to require the male facial hair and male body hair, all of the procedures will be adding in the drop down list automatically, and the recorded will be showing it like this data you will be selected in the upper screen. We can also delete this data in this screen as well. So I'm just clicking all of the specific point which I want to remove and just click on the save button. After adding the save, the plan will be adding in our system. Similarly, we have some of the machine forms in the male facial and male body hair removal as well. Just click on the forms and click on the add. These are the selected machine forms category in our system. We can have 5 to 6 machine forms which we are using in our system. We just need to select some of the specific forms, their corresponding value like their skin type values, their tanning values, their hair color values will be corresponding in our system. We just need to select some of the specific value according to your machine and then set it. You also need to write their comments in this value as well. The system will be maintain all of your record like their machine values, their fluences value, their day, their created date will be showing it in these screens. So this is the male body hair removal. Now I'm going to explain you the male filler part, like how the male filler part is working in our system. Just click on the filler area. In here there is a you need to write and you need to click on the add new plan. In these screens, this is the injection type, load summary and quantity will be showing it. You need to click on the add button to add injection types. This is the different injection type which we are using in our system and we can add multiple injection type according to our drop down category. So currently I am just adding two fillers, so that's why it will be showing it only two. If I can add multiple drop down values, then it also all are will be showing it in this drop down list. For example, if I am clicking the filler T and I'm selecting the patient need. They want to fill in the specific chicks part, and this is all of the inventory, like all of the injection value which they are using in our system. So, for example, in that specific part, the doctor prescribed the patient like you need 0.5 milliliter injection value in that specific part. So they can also select the specific injection inventories in these screens and then simply click on the save button. So you can see that the point selected highlighted, their inventories will be highlighted like which injection they want to consume it in the filler sections, and also we can also edit anytime in the any case. Similarly, we can select multiple points and we can add multiple injections in the specific. Also, we can add their quantity in these screens as well, like 0.8, 0.9, and any other injection type which doctor want to add it in these screens. So I'm adding the 2 points in the 2 points highlighted. So we can also add different types of forms and different types of filler points in these screens. So I'm just need to save it. So these data will be saving it, and you can see that their points will be highlighted, their injection quantities will be highlighted in these screens. And now I'm going to explaining you the vortex area of the male. So these are the vortex areas. So first we have to add a new plan. After adding a new plan, you just need to click on the add. Similarly, we have a vortex type of different types of injections using in our system. So I'm just selecting, for example, vortex K for according to the patient, and patient want their vortex like they want filler vortex of the male lips part. So just need to click on the specific part, need to add their quantity of the injection. Just need to click on the arrow, and these are the vortex, and these are the specific part will be highlighted. You just need to write their inventories value, their injection value, and then click on the save button. A specific part will be highlighted. We can also add multiple inventories against any point. We can also add multiple injection type in our drop down list. So for example, I'm only select the lower lips part and just I'm adding the loads number for adding the document process and just save the vortex area. So these part will be adding successfully, and similarly these are the different record will be adding in the drop down like points highlighted. The inventories like the injection value will be highlighted in the drop down list. So these are the mail paths which I explaining you, like how the system will be work in male facial hair, male body hair, male filler type, male vortex type. So these are all of the dermatology process which we are using in our system and which we are want to customize and which we are work in our system as a dermatology feature.